Now Wallet Pro app. The pros, the cons. The Now Wallet Pro app is designed to make crypto management fast, flexible, and non-custodial. But does it really deliver on its promise of complete control and convenience? Let's explore the pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right fit. Starting with the pros, Now Wallet Pro shines for its non-custodial structure. This means you own your private keys and your assets. No middlemen, no exchange risks, just direct control of your crypto. In today's climate of exchange collapses, that's a major advantage. Another key strength is multi-chain support. The app supports dozens of blockchains and thousands of tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and more. This makes it ideal for users who need a single wallet to manage a broad portfolio. The built-in exchange feature is another highlight. It's powered by ChangeNO, allowing users to swap cryptocurrencies instantly without creating an account. You can even buy crypto with fiat, stake tokens, or send funds without leaving the app, all with no kick for small transactions. However, there are cons worth considering. The first is network fees, which can vary depending on blockchain congestion. While this isn't unique to Now Wallet, it's something new users might find confusing. Another drawback is limited advanced tools. It's great for storage and swaps, but if you're looking for in-depth portfolio analytics or DeFi integration, you may need other platforms alongside it. In summary, the Now Wallet Pro app offers a smooth, private, and flexible experience for everyday crypto users. The surprising truth? It's not packed with complex features, and that's exactly why it works. For anyone who values simplicity and self-custody, Now Wallet Pro delivers where it matters most.